Listen to me. Citing meaning house. Detail. Flopping eye. Flying out. Am so loose in love. You that I do not know the right words to express is what I feel for you. No words can describe my love for you. Diamond, my love for you is unconditional. Each day I long to give my all to you, and I am expected nothing from you in return. Talk in it all because you describes my love, heart, care. I love you so much that I believe in is one the purpose of my life. Can I be honest with you? You have changed my life in so many ways. You not only supported my darling difficult sessions, but you also lifted me from lowest point because of you. I be proud of how full for you ultimated patience with me. It is thought you have your own gravity wherever you are, that where I want to be. Your separated energy and sense of fun is infections. It wonderful seeing how other rested to you are growing issues and powerful, and can only hope that you see it yourself to just a stars or a stronging together. Considerations there is one using force that it ties me to whenever we together it is thoughts. The universing ourselves has been connecting the thoughts in chatting connections between us to have arrestable screams that keeps me in a way of you. Everything you do, I am truly sorry for upsetting you, and I deeply regretted my actions. Every moment with you meant the world to me, and it pained to me so you hurt because of my mistakes. This is might not be words to make up from it, but please know this is just beginning. I genuinely films and crushing you in my life, and I hope to make it right. Every glance you throw my way feels like a managed pull, impossible to rest. The way you carry yourself, that confident, straight, and tantalizing, smiling leaves spellbound. There is any something about you, an extra cutting or that simply cannot shake off. You are the very definitions of meeting. You have been like stumbling upon a hidden treasure in your presence. The world will take on vibrations and uncharted depth, revealing color, emotion, and intricate graces I'd never noticed before. You reignited my celebrating, turning my life into an unfolding tale of growth, descripts, and exploration. With every steps is filled with a world. A day spent with you is filled of joy and inspiration. This afternoon of light are every little rattling routine and tradition have all become part of our uncorrectable history. You have made Hog different. I am really thankful for the friendship, warmth, and positivities you bring. How will love make you to understand that I love you with all my heart? You do not even love me anymore. If you do not wanted to me, tell me now, so that I will be look for someone else. I know you have boyfriend at my home. That is why do not love me anymore. You have always loved me as if you for life depend on that. Devotion for you, you are the natural drug for me. Pains, excited and enjoy. You are my love. It is pleasing to have you in my life. I love you more than anything. You are all the thoughts in my mind, all that the love in my heart.